Are you planning a trip to Miami? Don't make these 10 common mistakes that could ruin your vacation. Stick around until the end to avoid one. It's a big one. 10 mistakes tourists should not make in Miami. 1. Ignoring the Miami sun. Miami's sun is intense. Tourists often forget sunscreen and end up with painful sunburns. Tip: wear SPF 50+ sunglasses and a hat to protect yourself. 2. Staying only in South Beach. South Beach is great, but Miami has more to offer. Explore Wynwood, Little Havana, and the Design District. 3. Expecting cheap prices. Miami is expensive, from food to accommodations. Budget wisely and look for local deals. 4. Not trying Cuban food. Skipping out on Cuban cuisine is a mistake. Visit for sales in Little Havana for the best Cuban sandwich. 5. Not using public transport. Miami's traffic is brutal. Use the Metrobus, Metromover, or Brightline train instead of relying only on Ubers. Question: which mistake do you think is the most common? Drop a comment below. 6. Being careless with your belongings. It's alleged tourists often get pickpocketed. Tourists often get pickpocketed, especially at Bayside Marketplace and Ocean Drive. Keep your valuables secure. 7. Visiting during hurricane season. June to November is hurricane season. Check the weather before booking your trip. 8. Ignoring local laws. Open containers of alcohol are not allowed on public beaches and speeding is heavily fined. 9. Underestimating nightlife costs. Miami's clubs have high cover charges, $20, $100, and expensive drinks. Look for happy hours and guest lists. 10. Not booking activities in advance. Tours, boat cruises, and events sell out fast. Book early to avoid disappointment. Now you know what not to do in Miami. Did I miss any mistakes? Let me know in the comments. Hit subscribe, like, and share for more travel tips.